Also to know more as to what is happening on the ground. We just heard that 100 missiles have been launched earlier, claims of not just nuclear sites but also top military officials that were taken out during the strike by Israel. We have my colleague Vishal joining us, and this is in regard to the situation on the ground. Of course, let's just also know that the Iranian airspace is shut due to the conflict with Israel, and sources say that evacuation by ships from southern Iran is being considered. There are 10,000 Indians in Iran as Israel continues its bombing of targets in Iran. We have Vishal joining us in order to know more on the situation as far as the situation on the ground is concerned. Vishal, thank you for joining us. Take us through the situation early this morning. There have been 100 missiles that have been fired by Iran. We also know that the kind of claims that are being made by Benjamin Netanyahu is that Donald Trump is the target of Iran. They want to assassinate Donald Trump. That is what Benjamin Netanyahu has gone on to say on Fox News. So take us through what's the situation on the ground, considering that the United States will now have to get involved even if it doesn't wish to.
Well, that was always the scenario that US could be involved any moment, and Donald Trump is now hinting that there could be a possibility of that happening, even though he's still saying that that the likelihood of that happening is not that much. But there's always a scenario, because 40 to 50,000 US troops are positioned in the Middle East as we speak, and they're at the risk of retaliation from the Iranian side, because Iran has been constantly blaming the US for the attacks that Israel has done on its soil, because it says that Iran wouldn't have gone ahead with this huge plan. Israel wouldn't have gone ahead with this huge plan because unless US would have supported the regime of Israel. So that will be an angle that will be explored. What we have here is an image released by Maxar Technologies. It's a space technology company that releases images of various conflict sites across the world. What we see here is either one of the nuclear enrichment facilities that Iran has. Iran has about 6 to 7 main nuclear facilities. This could be either Isfahan or Kermanshah, because Isfahan and Natanz, those two are the main nuclear facilities. It could be something other than the two. The details are still trickling in. What we see here, if I can request the cameraman to focus here, you can see the image is not that clear. We'll have more detailed images later, but here if you can see there are some damaged buildings showcased here. So this is one of the nuclear facilities that Iran has, or it could also be one of the ballistic missile facilities. Iran has a plethora of ballistic missile infrastructure that has also been a constant target from the Israeli side. We'll have more images later, but this shows that Israel has been quite precise in its operations. But as far as the #1 target, the nuclear enrichment program of Iran is concerned, that remains largely intact. So Israel will continue to pound these sites in the days to come. It has already said there will be multiple strikes. They won't stop until they dismantle this infrastructure especially. So we'll have more details coming in, and we'll give you the details as we have them.